So to practice this, we can look at A, where the limit as x approaches 2. So as the limit as x approaches 2, we're going to approach the x value of 2, and it looks like that value is approaching a y value of 3. So then we say that since it approaches 3 from both sides, we're going to say that the limit of f of x is equal to 2. Sorry, is equal to 3. We can look at as we approach x equals negative 3. Here's my value at negative 3. I'm going to approach it from this side. Negative 3 from this side, negative 3 from this side. And it looks like I'm approaching a y value of 2. So then I say the limit as x approaches negative 3 is going to be equal to 2. For 6, we can look at this as x approaches y value, x of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so right about here. So I'm approaching 6 this way. I'm approaching 6 this way. And it looks like I'm approaching that same y value of 3 that I had at x equals 2. And then lastly, as I approach x equals 0, I'm approaching that coordinate there, and that coordinate is equal to 2. Now, it's important to understand that there is, although it's not defined there, f of 0 is undefined, these two things have nothing to do with each other. The same with the fact that at x equals 6, it happens to equal the same limit, but these two things have nothing to do with each other. One does not inform the other. At f of negative 3, it equals 2, but again, the fact that the limit equals 2 does not tell us anything about the actual y value at x equals negative 3. And same with f of 2, it happens to equal 3, but again, these things are independent. The fact that the limit equals 3 and the y value is at 3 are two different things. And we can see that this is a great example here, because although the limit is 2, there's no value defined. Actually, that's not undefined. My mistake here. That value is actually down here at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the y value is actually at negative 7. And those two values have nothing, the actual y value and the limit actually don't relate to each other. One does not inform the other.